Hello, and welcome to today's daily message. By the end of this week, the summer season will be over and we'll be entering the fall. Fall is a time of change. And so during this time of change, there are some questions that I'd like to pose for our reflection and thought throughout this week. The first question is this: between now and the end of the year, what will I do to deepen my relationship with God? That question stems from a basic fundamental awareness that should be a part of us, and that is that not only is God with us, but God is in us. And so to deepen the spiritual life means to discover all the more the God who dwells within our minds and hearts and bodies. And so, what will we do to deepen our relationship with God this season? Will we take more time for prayer? Father Bill talks often about the importance of a deep and consistent prayer life. Will we engage in meditation on a more regular basis? Will we find some kind of spiritual reading to engage ourselves in? Will we take a closer look at the Holy Scriptures? Will we attend Mass more often or attend Mass at all? Will we make an effort to try to see God in others? Because when we see the goodness of other people, that is the goodness of God. And that is one of the most important ways we can deepen our relationship with God, by coming to appreciate and value the goodness in one another. Thank you so much for watching today, and have a great Monday.